Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm showing you my dip and squish coasters using leftover paint. That's right, leftover paint. It's amazing what you can create with just some leftover paint. Keep watching, sit back, relax, enjoy the beautiful music. Leave a comment and let me know which one is your favorite. I decided to dip them on bubble wrap just to see what would happen. So here they are. This original set was just blown and I really liked them. They were beautiful. But when I saw the gold, I thought, oh, I think this will look really beautiful. And boy, am I ever glad that I did decide to dip and squish these because, oh, look at that. They are gorgeous now. I love this set. Really, really beautiful. You know, I gotta love what I do. And I love these. So keep watching for the dried results. Join my Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts, Semi-Abstracts, and Pours. The link is in the description area below.